In this video, I'll be walking through real Reddit discussions to see if a Perplexity AI subscription is actually worth it for your daily workflow. I start with a thread from a user asking about the value of the Pro plan for research and brainstorming. As I scroll down, I see a helpful community member explaining that Perplexity is essentially a supercharged search engine that provides direct answers with clear citations. I move through the comments where users discuss the transition from traditional Google searches to this AI-driven approach, highlighting how much time it saves. Next, I head over to a breakdown of the pros and cons, where I find mentions of the different models available, like Claude 3 and GPT-4. Looking at the results the AI generates, it is able to pull real-time data from the web and present it in a concise, cited format that eliminates the need to browse through multiple websites. These results are highly accurate and allow for complex follow-up questions that maintain the context of your original search. I continue scrolling to see how people use the collections and spaces features to keep their research organized and easily accessible. As I finish looking through the feedback, it's clear that many users find the monthly fee a small price to pay for the massive increase in productivity. I wrap up by checking out a few more opinions on the mobile app and the overall reliability of the platform. It is clear from these threads that the value lies in its ability to act as a focused research assistant that cuts through the noise of the internet. If you are someone who spends hours a day looking for verified information, the consensus here is that it is definitely worth a try. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.